my blood, I would rather be dead. I'm sick of lying here and watching others play, all alone with my thoughts every single day. My dad is my hero, I just think he's ace. He's working hard to make the world a better place. As soon as I'm better, I will help him fight. Stand up tall, cause we all can make a change.
Come and sign my petition for an end to slavery. We must fight for abolition until everyone is free.
Now I am grown, I got kids of my own, but they moan, cause they're always alone. I'm never home. I'm busy showing people that we have a choice, and if we all shout together, we've a louder voice. Make a change, fight for what you think is fair. Make a change, show the world how much you care. Make a change, join a protest, hold your sign up high in the sky. This is why we sing our song.
Come and sign my petition for